What's going on, everyone? I'm Mickey. Welcome back to LaceUp Solutions, the #1 DSD software in the world. Today, we're going to be talking about par level invoicing. I'm going to be doing a live demo. In this live demo, we'll be looking at what a par level is, how to count, how to invoice, and how to print that par level invoice out of a thermal printer. Let's get right into it. On the desk, like always, surprise, we have the mobile phone. That's a Samsung S5, looks like so. And we have a thermal printer. Zebra RW420, changed from the ZQ520 to this. Great refurbished model if you want to get those. Anyways, what is a par level? So a par level is when you keep an on hand of a product at a customer, and every subsequent visit you go and you count what's remaining on the display. So if you left 10 on the first visit, you count 5 the second time. This means that you sold 5. Now the difference between a par level and consignment I discussed in another video, which I'm going to link below. But the main difference is that with par level, you invoice on the first visit. Anyways, let's get right into the demo. As you all know, here's the LaceUp application. On the app, you'll see the 3 customers on my route for today. I'm going to be servicing customer number 1 in this demo. To do so, I'm going to tap on customer number 1. On top, it'll give us the customer number 1 information, and below, all the accounts receivable. To start invoicing the customer, I'm going to hit menu. Now you'll see a series of options. I have them all configured because this is a demo, but normally it would just show you what you need. Either way, I'm going to go here to create invoice. It'll ask me if I want to clock in, and the answer is yes, I do. Next, we're going to go to menu. We also have a series of options here like consignment, sales invoice, par level invoice, a load order, and advanced options. For this demo, we're going to be using par level invoice. When I tap on that, the system will show you everything that's on par. For instance, this bliss, last time I left 15. If I want to change the par, here's the new par column. Counted is what I'm going to count, sold is what I sold. And then you have credit if there's any credits. So to invoice the customer, I go here to counted. I put 5, oh, that's 2. 5, and I hit set. And you can see right here, the system will sell 10. Now let's go to this one where the par is 10. Let's say I counted 10, right? This means that I sold nothing. So now what I want to do is I want to go over here and decrease my par. So let's go make it 5. Okay, now we've got 2 settings. When you decrease a par, we can either automatically credit the customer, or you can go right here and put in the credit yourself under returns. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to work down all the items on the display. All right, now if you want to reposition these items, let's see if we can do this here. If you want to reposition these items to match how they're on this display, you can as well. All right, but either way, you go down, you count all the items, you can reposition whatever you want. The bottom line is, all the while you're making yourself an invoice. So here's the invoice total so far. What we're gonna do is hit done, and we have a $55 invoice. Now what we're gonna do is, let's print this out of our printer. So I just hit print, I'm gonna do 1 copy. And the system's going to print out of this RW420. Now this RW420 is, again, a great refurbished unit. You can get them for about 450 bucks, 400 to 450 as opposed to 800 for a new printer. But anyways, here's what the invoice looks like. It's just a standard invoice. It's got your name, test company, here's sales items, return items, and then a total at the bottom. Okay. Now, when I'm done, I can check mark this invoice and hit finalize. Okay, at which point I can collect a signature if it's a charge account. I can collect a payment if it's COD. I can print another invoice reflecting the signature of the payment, or I can simply hit done. When I'm done, it'll say finalized in green, at which point I can clock out and the customer will be check marked in green, indicating that that customer has been completed. Okay, so that is how we go into a customer with existing par levels on items and we count. Now let's go into a customer that doesn't have a par level and add something on par so you can see the behavior. Let's select this customer right here, menu, create invoice, yes, menu, par level invoice. You'll see it's got nothing here because nothing's been put on par yet. Categories, par items. Let's go ahead and add this item right here. And let's leave 10. So you can see old par 0, new par 10, and I sold 10. Now when I'm done, I'm gonna go through the same process of check marking, printing, collecting signature, collecting payment, and then reprinting if need be, and then clocking out of the stop. So I hope that helped you understand how to do par level invoicing on LaceUp. If you have any questions whatsoever, hit me in the comments down below. I'll make sure to get back to you myself. My goal is to provide one piece of content regarding distribution information, LaceUp information that'll bring you and your company value. Please like, subscribe, do all those things with our channel. That way I am incentivized to bring you more value. Either way, we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.